Now that is what I'm talking about, son.
Perfect.
Hello broskies, I'm back with another edition of Buy or Buy. If we haven't met before, I'm Erkin. This is the life of a broski, where I bring you sneaker reviews, lifestyle, and more waffle than Captain Birdseye. And I'm so excited to see that one of my favourite Air Maxes of all time have got a re-release, and I'm a little bit sprung, I can't lie. Without further ado, ladies and germs, I just need you to see this box. This is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. They are just as beautiful as I remember them. Okay, you know what, let's slow down. You know what they say, if you get it fast, it never lasts. Let's just read the writing on the box, just for now. Nike sports shoes are manufactured to the exact specifications of champion athletes throughout the world. And I think that's French.
Les chaussures sont Nike, sont fabriquées, l'on les spécifiques, exactes, télémélisées, appliquées dans le monde entier.
I have no idea if that's right, but man, that sounded sexy. Right, let's get back to the meat and potatoes of this video. Here we have it, broskies. The Nike Air Max 90 OG Volt. Yes! Now that is what I'm talking about, son. I like this little attachment there. It just brings me back to the 90s, you know. I remember as a wee little kebab going to JD Sports. Didn't have much spondulix because, you know, pocket money and all. Saw these Air Max 90s on sale, but they were about 35 quid. At the time, I was about 6.5. They were a 5. Best believe I squeezed into them as much as I could for a good 6 months. They were the comfiest 6 months I've ever had as a child, and I love them. I cherish them so much. So just for that nostalgic feeling from the Air Max 90, this will always have a special place in my heart. So let me just take this bit off, shall we? It's a pretty cool little tag they've attached here. Of course, we are celebrating 30 years since this classic and iconic silhouette was released. So as a Nike member, these exclusive releases have come out in 4 colorways. Of course, we got the OG Volt, the royal blue, turquoise color, and hyper grape. So just taking out the insole, it isn't as thick as, say, a React insole, but they have really thought of people with flat feet because of the bulging arch on here. Anatomical arch supports, that's pretty cool. Have a look. Oh, I see. So we have extra arch supports that go underneath the sole, just in case you have flat feet, and that will help bridge that arch over time, hopefully anyway. So you just pop that underneath and it attaches there, and it gives you a little bit more cushioning. These were one of the original Air Maxes to give that exaggerated air bubble and midsole. So without this silhouette, I don't think we get the Air Maxes such as the 270s and 720s. So you definitely have to pay homage to this classic. On the heel counter, of course, you got Nike Air with the Nike tick right at the back. We have got 2 panels on the upper, on the lateral, Air Max on that side and Air Max on that side. Of course, on the upper lateral, we have the Nike tick, which is pretty much halved on both sides. Got the toe box, which is full of mesh material, which is a winner chicken dinner because of course they won't crease. One of my favorite things about this sneaker is indeed the tongue. The tongue is very cushioned and adds a lot more comfortability to the sneaker. We have got Nike Air Max across the tongue right at the top. Underneath, we have got that very distinctive Air Max 90 sole, which isn't like any other Air Max out there. Now, I'm so glad to celebrate their 30-year anniversary. They have released these OG colorways. Out of the 4, the ones I've got here are my favorite. So broskies, let's have a little peek to see how they look on foot. In terms of sizing, these are very much true to size. Every Air Max 90 I have tried on is the same, so there are no disappointments there. And by the looks and design of the insole, you know comfortability is right up there. Because we have mesh on the toe box, breathability is not a problem at all. Now of course we've got this exaggerated and heightened midsole. It does give you a couple extra inches in height, but in my opinion it's not as drastic as say the Air Max 720. So broskies, we have come to the part of the episode where I decide if it's a buy or a buy. As one of my first ever Air Maxes I ever purchased, I've got to say it has not lost its charm. They are still as comfortable as I remember, and it is just an all-round great sneaker. In particular, this colorway, summertime, you cannot go wrong. So of course, you know my answer is gonna be a buy. Let me know down below, broskies, what do you think? Are you a fan of the Air Max 90? Would you go for a different colorway, or are these just a buy in general? Leave your comments down below, and as always, I will be pinning the best comments. So broskies, that's enough from me. Hope you like this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course, until the next episode, take care.